How to create rapport with your subscribers. Along with building trust and credibility with your subscribers, another critical thing you have to do is build rapport with them. You have to get the people on your list to believe that you care about them, and that you are there to support them and help them, not just to make sales off of them. Now, most of them will realize that you are making money by selling products to them, but they have to believe your intentions are primarily to help them first, rather than just using them to make sales. You have to exchange something of value for the money they give you when they buy your products. Just like if you go to a day job, your company will pay you, but first you have to give them something that is worth what they will pay you. You need to first do your job, whatever it might be, in order to get paid. You are exchanging something of value, your time, knowledge, skill, etc., for something else of value. In the case of a job, it's a salary. And it's the same thing with your email list. They aren't going to just buy something from you because you want them to. You need to first exchange your knowledge or talent with them, before they buy anything from you. You have to help your subscribers first, then they will pay you, and you accomplish this by creating rapport with your subscribers. How do you do this? There are two things you need to do here. One, you have to give valuable information and advice to them first. Two, you have to interact with them on a personal level. So with the first one, it's a pretty common feeling among us humans that if you give something to someone, they feel obligated to give something back in return. The same principle applies online with your email list. You need to give your subscribers something of value first, and in return some will reciprocate by buying something from you. The more you give, whether that is free ebooks within your niche, videos or audios teaching them something specific, or just specific tips and tactics you've discovered, the more likely people on your list will feel the need to give back to you, and usually they do that by buying your products. So one part of building rapport with your subscribers is to give first, the second is to interact with them on a personal level. Now you do this by actually communicating with your subscribers individually. One way to achieve this is to send your subscribers feedback emails. We'll cover how to write feedback emails a bit later in this training, but basically what you do with feedback emails is you send your subscribers an email asking them for feedback about something specific. You ask them something about what problems they're facing in your niche, and you tell them that you will reply to their questions personally. So if you're in the weight loss niche, and you ask your subscribers to send you questions they have about ab workouts, you're going to get a bunch of replies with questions like what's the most effective workout, or how often they should work out. The key is you need to respond to the emails you get from your subscribers personally. I know this will take a few minutes each, but you're generally going to get very similar questions. What you're doing here is setting yourself apart from the rest of the marketers out there who just automate their email marketing. When you actually interact with your subscribers on a personal level, they will see you more as a friend and a trusted advisor than just a faceless marketer on the internet. They're going to come to know, like, and trust you. You're building rapport, and this is the difference between being a successful email marketer, and just a regular email marketer who doesn't make any sales. The more rapport you can build with your subscribers, by giving them high-value information first, and interacting with them personally, the greater your chances are of making sales over the long term from your list. Most people don't take the time to build this rapport with their list, which is why they struggle to make any sales. Don't do what they do. Take the time to build rapport with your list and they will reward you for that.